Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to do a review on the Caseology Vault. Anyways, I hope you guys are all staying safe. There's a lot of craziness going on with the coronavirus and with the riots, but yeah, so I got this on Amazon. It was on sale. I got this for around $5 with a coupon code, so hopefully that sale is still going on. The color I got is black. This fits an iPhone 7 and iPhone 8, and I just got a iPhone SE, the second generation, so I'm just hoping it'll fit. Let's just take a look at this box. It says that it's for the iPhone 7, but I read online that it's also going to fit the iPhone SE second gen. Caseology. Let's look at this box. Alright. This is made in South Korea. It's recyclable for all you tree huggers out there. Caseology. Alright, so let's just take a look at this. Ultimate protection. It's designed to provide precise and holistic protection with ergonomics. So that's what it says. And it's slim. It says safely slim right here. Safely slim. Just the right amount, so hopefully it won't be too bulky. Posh and playful. That's what it says right here. Posh and playful. Choose from an array of fashionable designs to complement your look. Alright, so enough said. Let's just take this out. It's a standard box paper. Here you got the plastic. Become a caseologist. Now this brand I've known for a few years, so I trust it. I've used it. So far it has quality stuff. You can join the reviewer program on this ad. Not sure what that is. You get this caseology thing. Thank you, review me. Nah, I don't think so. Alright, now here's the case itself. It's pretty light. It has a rubbery feel to it. It's pretty smooth, not sticky. This part is textured. This also, the side piece is textured. You got the power button cut out here. If you guys can see that. It's the camera cut out. Here's the speakers and the lightning cable hole. And this back is pretty textured too. But yeah, like it feels like it's quality. For $5 to, like on sale, it's a good price, and I like the brand. But yeah, it feels smooth. I don't see any fingerprints, like when I'm touching this, there's no fingerprints. So that's good. And this, it looks like a carbon fiber pattern. So I like that. So here's the iPhone SE second generation. I'm going to put this in. Alright, start from the bottom. Like both sides. Start with that. And then on the top, both sides. Alright. Okay, so I can confirm that this fits perfectly with the iPhone SE 2. The cutout for the volume right here. The volume rocker up and down. Power button. And let's turn this thing on. Alright, so yeah, just my initial impressions. I like the design with the carbon fiber on the sides and the camera area. And it's really light in the hands. Cutouts fit perfectly well. So yeah, my initial impressions, I like, it's good. I approve. Well, anyways, hope you like this video, and you can get a glimpse of what this looks like. And yeah, anyways, I hope this helps you make a decision, and I will leave a link for this case on the description. Anyways, hope you guys stay safe, and if you like this video, please hit subscribe, and take it easy and take care.